In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload videos with the YouTube API using Python. By the end of this video, you'll be able to run this Python 3 script and directly upload your video to your channel. Let's now get started. Let's head over to the YouTube Data API, go to Guides, and select Python at the bottom. Alright, so first thing that we're going to do here is install a couple of pip packages. Open up a terminal and install the following libraries here. We're now going to head over to the Google Cloud platform and create a new project. If you don't have an account, you can click on Start Free and sign up for free. Alright, now that we have an account, we can go up here and click on Create a New Project. Here we're just going to call this something simple like YouTube Upload Python. Now click on the project, go on the menu icon and go to API and Services and select Library. Here we're going to look up YouTube Data API. Click on this here and enable it. We're now going to be following along the Upload a Video guide. And what we have to do is basically create this client secrets JSON file, which is going to allow us to upload the video to the YouTube channel. Under API and Services, click on Credentials, and here we have to first create a credential. Let's click on OAuth Client ID. Here we need to configure the consent screen first. Let's select user type external. Here we're just going to type in some information. You can just make up an app name, email address. You're going to need an app logo. You'll need an app domain. Here I'm just going to use my personal website. And now we need to add this to the authorized domains section. Now hit save and continue. And now we have to add an upload scope for uploading YouTube videos. You want to enable this scope here for YouTube upload. Once we have that, we can continue. And here you want to add your test user. For this example, I'm just going to be using this test account. And now this is going to be the summary. Make sure all this is correct. And now let's go back and go to Credentials, Create Credentials, OAuth Client ID. Here we're going to select Desktop App, and we can just say Desktop Client. We now have the information we need. Now we're going to paste this into a client secrets JSON file. So here we're going to need the client ID and client secret. Let's go to VS Code, create a new file, and call it clientsecrets.json. And here you can copy this JSON structure. And now copy and paste your client ID and client secret. Make sure you never share this with anyone. This is sensitive information. Alright, now let's call the script. But first we need to copy the upload video Python script. Let's create a new file here called upload video Python and copy all this here. What we have to do is change this from Python 2 to Python 3 syntax. And if you don't want to do this, I have the uploaded version on my GitHub. But basically we're just changing the print statements and exceptions. Here's the updated Python 3 version on GitHub. We're now going to be calling the script, but first we need a file. Here I'm going to create example.mov, which is going to be a screen recording video. And now we can go here, copy this command. Same one as the documentation, just in a better format. And here we're going to be changing the options that we're passing in. So file is the example.mov. Title is going to be next. Description, this is going to be the YouTube description. And now these are the keywords like tags that you see in the video. And here, this is the category number. So you can look this up. There's like a list of categories. Here we're going to select 28 for science and technology. And then privacy status, this is going to be public. So let's recap. Here's the script. Here's our file. Here's the title, description, keywords, category number, and then privacy status. Now press enter. And here you're going to get a prompt to choose an account. And it's going to ask for if you would like to continue with this application. Just press continue. If you see this message, this means that the authentication was successful and that your video was uploaded to your YouTube channel. You can now go to our channel and see the video here. Let's now try one more example because I don't know why that uploaded as a YouTube short. Here I'm going to upload example_2. This is going to be a video of my desktop. Let's take a look here. There we go. And this time we didn't have to authenticate the application. So it looks like once you do it once, you don't have to do it anymore. Alright, there is one problem here. Until you verify your application, you won't be able to upload your videos as public. We can go to the video.insert documentation page and see what it says there. Looks like we have to undergo an audit. And in order to do this, we have to provide some information to Google to prove that we are who we say we are. And once you do this, you'll be able to upload. That's going to do it for this video. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as connect with me on LinkedIn or join our Discord. All the links will be in the description below.